They say when it's right, you just know it. Don't fight it, just go with it. Hang ten, curve lightly. Them doors stop.
Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nick Take 2, and I'm back with another
Open it. Don't tell yourself you can't do it. Don't expect nobody else to do it.
In today's video, this is going to be a lip gloss collection. Well, lip gloss, chapstick, lipsticks, all in this little bag. And in my makeup tutorial video, I said I was going to do this, so I'm doing it. I'm going to start off with the two that I keep in my purse, which is the cocoa butter formula Palmer's original, has SPF 15 in it. I said if you put this on your lips before you put gloss on, it won't be sticky. Like any sticky gloss that you do have, put chapstick on first and you'll be all good. This one is RK by Kiss Hydrating Lip Oil Treatment Gloss. Everybody has this one. You can get it from your local beauty store, local drugstore. This one is the one I have on now. Is the Broadway Vita Lip Rose Hip Oil Lip Gloss. Reduces fine lines in lips. Reduces fine lines on lips. Moisturizes and heals. Contains vitamin A. And I have this on my lips because my lips been chapped, cracked, and all that. Like, for real. Then you got this Ebon New York 24-hour jelly lip gloss. This one is like really smooth, like really like jelly. It's not sticky at all. And I love this one. And I have another one that my mom gave me. Well, I've been begging her for it. And they didn't have it in stores. This one, they didn't have the same one in stores. So I got the clear one. And then she gave me this one when she had a new one. Oops. When she got a new one. So yeah, these two are really smooth. This one has like a little glitter shimmer tint to it. And this one is clear. I have a lot of clear glosses in here, okay? You got the OG Carmex, you feel me? This LA Colors Oh So Shiny Lip Color. And this is like more like a lip butter. I would say like it's like a nude and it goes on really smooth. So yeah, I actually like this. I wear this when I do the, you know how people do a lip liner, dark, and then it's lighter in the middle, in the center, you know? Yeah, I use that one for this one, okay? These ones I got from the local beauty store, obviously. And these are the flavors strawberry, pineapple, and watermelon. They like a little perfume. I bought these right after seeing the squeeze tubes. I was like, oh, I could have got those. But I got these ones instead. And these ones actually pretty cool. Like, if you don't want, you just want a shine, you don't want your lips chapped, and you have these, boom. And these are like $1. This lip crown basic beauty, basic. It's supposed to say basic beauty with a Z. Simple, elegant, and it's pink. Like, this is the best pink that will look good on me. Other than that, colors don't really look good on me. Well, black do, and brown. Yeah. This one is Color Mask Lip Gloss. This is probably my first lip gloss buying. Other than the regular lip gloss you get from the hair store. I got this from like Dollar Tree or something. And this is a glossy pink, I would say. Still put it in the center. Whatever you want, the dark to light, you know. This one, Diamond Glow. I needed some glittery gloss, okay? This one is really good. I would put it on my lips now, but I'm fine with what I got. This is like really glittery. A Smoke and Mirrors Lip Plumper. This don't do nothing. It smells minty. Got it from like Dollar Tree. It's just like clear gloss basically. I don't think it does anything plump in my lips or nothing. And this one, everybody has this one too. Max Lip Polish Clear Gloss from your local beauty store. I had one, lost it.
Well, I left it in my purse, in my friend's car. They never gave me my purse back.
So, yeah, I lost that along with a charger and some other stuff. Then the other one after that broke. Like, this part broke. So, I had to throw it away. Now, this one, I barely use this one. if I really want to be popping, lip gloss shining and stuff, you know, I wear this one. Okay. Oh, this is the most expensive one I have. This is like, how much is this? $10, I think. Neutrogena Moisture Shine Lip Soother. I got this from CVS and it's good. It works good. I wish they had the other one though. NK Makeup Lip Gel with vitamin E argan oil. Everybody has this one too. Local beauty store. I don't really use it like that, but it's good. I got this Metal to the Max LA Colors Metallic Lip Gloss. 99cent store, Dollar Tree or whatever. I got this thinking I was really gonna wear it. And I played it, but I might just use it for like eyeshadow or something. But it smells like chocolate. This is like a burgundy matte lip color. It smells like chocolate too. I got this one, I got that one. Like, it's so good. I actually used this one on my eyelids before. I played with it on my lips, but I really don't like matte. It made me look dry. This one, I don't remember what it says. I'm pretty sure it's LA Colors. I use lip gloss a lot. And then this one, I actually use this one too for the dark to light in the center or whatever. Yeah. This one's more pink though than tan. These two are Princess looks. This one's Chose Gold and this one's Rome's Heart. I use Chose Gold a lot. It tastes like what is it? Pumpkin spice. It's really good. Rome's Heart is a little too gold for me, but I still wanted it because it was shining. This one is also LA Colors. This is red. This is lipstick and this is the lip gloss. I rather use the lip gloss than lipstick. And then I have another Palmer's Cocoa Butter formula because I just needed an extra one just in case that one get lost. This one, Super Gloss, Aloe Vera and Vitamin E, Ruby Kisses. My sister gave me this one. I was finna buy it in the store and she was like, "Oh, I have one. You can have that one if you want." So, yeah. Oh my gosh. When I was in like junior high, I had this lip gloss and it smelled like bubble gum. When I tell you how long I had that, you look at me like, what the hell? But I love that gloss. And I don't know where I got it from. I just had it for a long time and now it's finally gone. Years ago it was gone, so I don't know. This one is a matte lip colors. I don't really use it like that. I do for the center again, obviously. But then I put gloss on top. Last one is Vita Lip, Broadway Vita Lip Coconut Oil Lip Gloss. Hydrates lips, locks in moisture, shine without stickiness. That's a lie. There is stickiness. Almost every lip gloss in stores are sticky, okay? I'm gonna tell you that now. Out of all the lip glosses that I do have, I'm gonna tell you which ones aren't sticky. It's these, okay? Princess Looks and Ebin 24-Hour Jelly. These are the only ones that aren't sticky. These are my favorites, okay? Favorite. Too much gloss. Gloss me out. Gloss me out. Gloss me out. Hey, gloss me out. Gloss me out. Gloss me out. Hey, gloss me out. Gloss me out. That is it for this video. I hope you guys liked it, enjoyed it, saw the lip gloss that y'all had because it's very popular. Like, comment, subscribe, share this, support, you know. Yeah.
They say when it's right, you just know it. Don't fight it, just go with it.